Good evening, welcome back. Thursday evening. Over the last probably 2 to 3 days, there's one thing that I'm spending thinking a lot. Okay, this is about something which I like, a field which I like, but definitely I've not spent any time doing some research on it. This is something called behavioral psychology. Okay, I personally like to analyze why certain people do certain things or how certain people do certain things and how they respond and all. I think in the overall, I'm not from psychology background, but overall from whatever I've seen and read, very minimal reading that I've done, I think in a bigger picture called psychology, this falls into uh, another bigger bucket called behavioral psychology. So now I was just thinking, what makes a person behave in a certain way, or what makes a person react in a certain way. Now, the reason why I kind of thinking about it over the last few days and probably more so today is that all the incidents that has happened over the last, I would say, like 3 days, it's prompted me. I had a conversation with my manager on Tuesday, and that conversation didn't go fine. I think I told about it a couple of days back, and now after having said that, I had this another conversation with my team member earlier in the day today. Prior to that, I kind of had like an impromptu feedback discussion uh, with one of my leads to whom this person reports, and this kind of was sort of a semi-negative feedback. Not that he was not doing well, but the expectation was so high that whatever he's doing is we're feeling like it is pretty less. So now when I spoke to this resource of mine and I told him this is exactly what I'm hearing, so because I don't get a complete picture now that we are sitting remotely. It's very difficult for us to see what happens in a meetings, see how things turn out and all in person. So most of the times they are doing their work, they are interacting with their tech lead, and whenever I'm in a meeting or whenever somebody tells me this is what happened, that's how I get to know about people. Now the moment I told him about the feedback I heard about him, he got a little bit upset and he started bringing in a lot of substantiation, which is obvious, and I would have probably done the same thing, telling, no, my perception is wrong, and the way I'm thinking is wrong, and that's not the case. And then he started telling, like, okay, I have helped that guy so much in the past, and now he's talking like this. He's kind of trying to do that relational stuff. Remember that relational versus transactional friendship thing that I told you. He's kind of I mean, I could sense that he's kind of expecting, like, just because he did some good deed to him in the past, he's kind of expecting him to be good to him. Now that guy didn't respond positively does not mean that he's also expecting it to be a transactional thing or a relational stuff. Anyway, keeping that aside, so this conversation I felt like, okay, this guy started taking it very personal and all. I consoled him, everything went fine, but I just after that call I kind of like went back in time and I realized that similar situation happened between two other resources in past, and I had heard similar feedback in similar circumstances from a different manager about people not I'll give you an example. It's more of like two resources are working throughout the day, like they're working on a single, say, project. They have the complete day, they have so many means of communication, phones, email, Slack, chat, and oh, so many things. They don't talk there, but they come into a common meeting wherein it's like a status meeting or whatever, and then they start discussing about, this is my problem, what is the solution, and that person starts telling that you should have asked me this yesterday itself, I knew this. And this person says, I asked you yesterday, you didn't respond. Such kind of like an egoistic thing startup. I'm seeing like a repetition of this pattern from maybe like around like 2 years or something. This pattern has been repeating. Even now, like when I got to hear that substantiation, I felt like the same thing. Like he was like, I reached out to him, he didn't tell. Next day in the status, he told that I knew this, you could have done this. So, and again, like that. Talking about my own personal friend, in past there was like quite a predominant period over which I was like completely short-tempered person, and I was kind of known for my short temper. This is like a well-known fact. And there was one phase wherein I realized all these things and I started toning myself down. Okay, and I toned myself down, and I kind of like I've improved or whatever I would say. But not that I get short tempered like the way I used to get past. But nowadays I get restless. I get agitated very soon. It's maybe it's a weakness. I would say I get provoked very soon. Is what I felt that that happens with me. Now all these incidents, I was just trying to put everything into one bucket and trying to analyze what is happening here. Why do people react the way they react, or why do people behave the way they behave? And some very obvious things that I come across is like things like incidents that has happened in their past which might make them behave like that, like what happened with my team member. It's the people make you behave like that. Okay, it could be like incident involving a person, okay, which makes them relate to things. Okay, and for me it's not related to the short temper part, but I felt that the moment I start getting related to certain people or certain type of people I was associated with in the past, I tend to get agitated. Now I don't even want to get into such type of circle, such type of people or surroundings and whatnot. So it's the people who makes me behave like that, and that's why I distance myself from such people. Another thing that I feel is like the circumstance. The whole circumstance will be like that. A person might be in a lot of stress, tension, or some kind of like a peer pressure, or it could be even like what we are going through now. This whole pandemic thing, right? Uh, Last 4 months has been extremely demanding on people's minds. Okay, we are just confined to these four walls of our room. We can't go out. There is no exposure to the world outside, and on top of it the work pressures are increasing. Work pressures are like very demanding, and in between all these things you're disconnected from all the things which make you happy. Like for me, riding out, driving out, visiting places, traveling, eating out, that kind of makes me happy. Like at least like I want to go out like once a week, at least I want to go outside of the city once a month. That makes me happy. But over the last 4 months I'm literally like I've not gone anywhere. Even if I've taken out the bike, it's like hardly. I'm just roaming around in the city and just come back. I don't stop anywhere, I don't eat anywhere, I don't drink coffee anywhere. So it's kind of like an aspect, kind of like we can have like a dotted reference to the mental health thing. That is what I feel this behavioral psychology can be linked to. But these are the things like the incidents, the people, the circumstances make people behave like the way they are. I know I'm talking a little bit too much about all this stuff related, but this is what is kind of like a parallel thread running in my mind since last 2 3 days. And I just thought like I speak a little bit about it and just give a context about this whole aspect of behavioral psychology, the way I see it, and why I feel people behave in a certain way, or why, maybe yes, personally, why I behave in a certain way in a given situation, and my justification for it, and how I have observed people behave, and what could be the justification that I can map them to, like things like incidents, people, and circumstances. So I thought like I spend a little bit of time talking about it. It's totally irrelevant, and I don't know why this topic even came up to my mind. I was sitting in the evening in my terrace, and I was doing uh, some kind of design stuff for something that I've been exploring, and I was just trying to write down certain sketches and all those stuff. Nothing related to the bike that I told you, no, nothing related to automobiles, but some mock-ups and some stuff like that I was just trying to make. And I suddenly, it is like I was just sitting alone, and suddenly I realized that this word, this phrase came up, behavioral psychology. Then I thought like, okay, probably I'll talk about that today, and maybe probably a valuable 10 minutes that I spent talking about it and my perception about it. But if this topic is not something which you found interesting, then I don't know, I can't help it. I've already recorded, I don't want to do any more stuff. Anyway, thank you so much for spending your time with me this evening. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.